Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset your security settings with Zillow, full guide step by step clearly. To begin resetting your security settings on Zillow, open the Zillow app or website. Log into your account using your email and password. Once logged in, navigate to the account settings. Look for the security settings option in the menu. Click on security settings to access your current preferences. You will see options related to two-factor authentication and password management. If you want to enable two-factor authentication, click on that option. Follow the prompts to set up two-factor authentication using your mobile number or authenticator app. If you wish to change your password, find the password section. Click on the Change Password link. Enter your current password followed by your new password. Make sure your new password meets all security guidelines. Once you've updated your password, confirm the changes. After making adjustments, review any other security settings. Look for options like login notifications or session timeouts. Ensure these settings reflect your preferred level of security. When you're satisfied with your adjustments, save any changes made. Log out and log back in to verify that your settings have been updated successfully. If you encounter issues, return to the security settings page for further adjustments. This process will help ensure that your Zillow account remains secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.